So let's check. Hi guys, for today's video, I'm going to pick up the parcel. Okay? Going to pick up from the... Hi guys, today I'm very happy because I received a power bank from INIU shop and it's so lightweight. This is what I'm waiting for. So wow, I'm so happy. Hi guys, for today's video, I'm going to pick up the parcel. Okay? Going to pick up from the... So let's close first. Let's here. I got it. Oh, this one from Amazon. I received this one from Amazon. So let's open it and see what's it's inside. And see my camera. Let's check. Oh my god, we need to open it one here. It's hard to open. Let's check. Oh, I'm so excited. And see what's here. And I have this only one is empty. I have the Beyond Safe, Beyond Fast Power Bank P41L-E1 10000mAh. See, as you can see. Wow. And find the surprise here. This is the scan with the Amazon shopping app by Amazon. You can see, you can scan this one. INIU Portable C Girls White. Wow. So this is portable power bank, manufactured stuff. Oh wow, nice. Okay, any question, please give us our email live chat response this one. So you can email this one, support@yahoo.iniushop.com. You can see INIU.shop. So they have official shop also for Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. You can see it. This is the power bank. Yeah. Oh, my camera is. So let's open in here. Let's open. Wow, I'm so excited. This is my first ever. I have another power bank, but this one I'm so excited to open this one. Wow, let's check. Wow. Oh, there's nothing here. It's empty. And this one, look at. Wow, it's handy. Oh wow, it's really small size. Look at. Wow, I can see. I will check first the box. So it's empty now. Go greener with INIU. How to pronounce this one is the shop is INIU. So you can contact here, contact us back. This is a contact number. support@yahoo.iniu.shop. So they have official from Facebook, TikTok account, INIU #official. Okay. Wow. So this is the user manual guide. And here the information. Do not disassemble or modify. Do not short circuit. Do not expose in fire. Do not expose to high temperature. Wow. So their official websites is INIU. This is INIU shop. Wow. So this is all English. Model type is, here comes here. Model type is P41L-E1. So the capacity for this one is 10,000 mAh, 37 Wh. Lithium battery. Size is 4.3 2.7, 0.7 inches, 11.18 centimeters. So it's handy, really handy, guys. It's worth it. And the USB-C 5V 3E9V 22A 1.5A. So an input USB-C cable, 3A output USB-C fast charging protocol. So it's everything is here. You can. And here we comes. This the this is they give the bikes. INIU. The website is INIU.shop. You can see the website here. Can you see? I zoom it. Can you see it clearly? INIU.shop. That is the web. You can search support at Yahoo INIU.shop, and there's the official account in here. Scan the barcode on the steel sticker by Amazon or Transparency app. Verify Authencity. View limited time offers. Enjoy lifetime services. Wow, it's a lifetime services. You can no other than by INIU shop. Yeah. You can order this one in their website directly. Wow, it's here. Look at guys. Oh, it's like it's nice. It's nice quality. You can see it, and it's not 7. Yeah, like handy, and it's light. Fast charge power bank designed by INIU. Power bank I will design by INIU. Wow. So this is, oh, it comes with this one, and then so let's open this one like that. How to open this one? Okay, just push it here and then turn it on. This is the power button. This is the power button here. Just turn it on. Turn it on. I think I need to charge this one because it doesn't turn it on. I will charge this one first. Let's check. Maybe it's already turned it on. Let's check in my... Okay. This is Type-C. My phone is not Type-C, so I will put another one. So look at this Type-C. So I don't need to use it, but it's light, really light. Now guys, I have the charger ready because this is Type-C. My phone is iPhone 13 Pro Max, so it's not Type-C. So I just have the wire here to connect. So let's open this one. Let's start. I connect in my USB and for the phone. So it's in here. As you can see in here, you put it here like that. Look at it's open. Wow. So to make open, and then try to connect to my phone. Try to charge. Oh, it's charging. It's charging. It's charging, guys. Oh my god, sorry for that. Look at it's charging my phone. Try again, okay? It's charge. So it's worth it. It's lightweight and it's travel friendly. Fast charging. So it says 30%, now it's 31. It's quickly going. It's really fast. So now this one, so it means this is 3 bars. So I need to charge this one. So it's 3 bars. So I need to fully charge this power bank. But it's quite handy, really handy, and worth it the money. It's really worth it. Wow, now it's 32%. Look at my battery, it's 32% now. Okay, just turn it like that, because I have here, because my phone is iPhone 13 Pro Max and it's not, you can remove this one. No, you cannot remove this one because it's built in. If you have Type-C, like like the latest iPhone now, because it's Type-C, or Samsung, Android, or any kind of Type-C, you can directly plug on. You don't need to bring like this. So it's really worth it. This is in one, output 1, output 2, and output 3. And it comes with a wire. And look and see. Yeah, can you see it clearly, guys? Okay, and it's handy. Look at my hands, it's too small and it's too handy and light. It's travel friendly, guys. You can buy this one in their website. I will show you the description in my box. Is INIU. I will show you here. INIU. There's loads of, daghan silang mga kapilian, guys. Mga power bank, including all of any product you want. So HTTPS, you can type HTTPS INIUshop.com. So like this one, this is the, so this is their website, guys. INIUshop.com. So you can see more here. Oh, they have loads of products. They have portable power bank, INIU power bank, bang one. So this one you can choose white, gray. They have the magnetic one, and everything is here. They have the redefined smallest one. Free shipping. They have free shipping, safe payment, 3-day return, on-one customer service, and 3-year warranty, and INIU rewards. So, and they have a really nice comments here. So I will show you in the description the link of this shop so that you can go directly to their website. So this is really worth it, guys. But I cannot, this one, this is the power on and power on. This is power off. See, really worth it. Small, but it's fast charging. Wow, guys, love it. And it's travel friendly because it's only 100 mAh. Sorry for that. 10,000 mAh. It's really handy. Look at it, my hands. My small hands is like that, and it's too light. Look at here. I will measure this one, okay? So I have here a meter. So I need to measure that one so that I can show you how long. It's too small. It's too small, guys. Look at. Look, it's really small. Really small. And it comes with here. Look. And look at the, it's not really thick. It's a thin one, and then it's fast charging. So I can say it's worth it. Worth it, the price, worth it. Then yeah, you can order this one online and they have fast delivery. You can do it by 3 to 7 days delivery. So what you are waiting for? Order now, guys. Really worth it, the price. I'm always talking about worth it because it's really worth. Honestly, this is really worth it. Travel friendly, fast charging, everything, beyond safe, beyond everything, guys. So what are you waiting for? Order now. Just click the link below, guys, and then yeah, you can receive within 5 to 7 days. Can you see it, guys? Oh, look at this. Is all the input. I will show you. I will zoom to you. And then the model is P41L/E1. Battery capacity 10,000 mAh, 37 Wh. So output 6,200 mAh, 5V3. So I cannot read it properly, but it's really worth it, the price. Order now. Hi guys, I got here the fast charging power bank. Wow. And it's too light, really light and worth it, and need to open. Really worth it, the price.